Okay, so this is a fraction question, eating a submarine sandwich here. Um, and I think a really good strategy here is to do a common denominator. So Jerome ate half the sandwich, and then Kevin ate a third, and then Seth ate whatever is the remaining part. So if we do a common denominator for 1/2 and 1/3, it would be 6. So 1/2 is the same thing as like 3/6. Take the top and bottom times 3. Take this one times 2. So 1/3 is 2/6. Okay, and then that would hopefully help us figure out that Seth must have ate the remaining part, which is just 1/6. Right? This is 5/6 together, so that means the remaining part must have been 1/6. So now that we have a common denominator, you can sort of see the ratio right there. It's 3 for Jerome, 2 for Kevin, 1 for Seth, right? 3 to 2 to 1. So our answer, and it has to go in that order, Jerome, Kevin, Seth, it would be 3, 2, 1. Letter D.